Hey everyone, the DOOGEE G6 Plus tablet stands out as a thoughtfully designed Android device built with versatility and modern needs in mind. Targeted at students, families, and budding creators, it packs solid performance and intelligent features into a sleek, lightweight form factor. From casual entertainment to serious productivity, the G6 Plus positions itself as a practical solution for users seeking power and portability without a premium price tag. One of the most notable highlights is that the G6 Plus arrives preloaded with Android 15, making it one of the first tablets on the market to adopt the latest version of Google's OS. This forward-looking approach ensures users benefit from enhanced privacy settings, optimized performance, and a new wave of multitasking capabilities. The built-in Gemini AI suite elevates the experience even further by adapting to user habits and providing smart, on-device suggestions, everything from predicting actions to streamlining workflows, all while keeping data secure through local processing. At the heart of its immersive media experience is the 11-inch IPS display, which supports Full HD plus resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate. This combination ensures visuals are sharp and motion is smooth, whether you're attending a virtual class, editing content, or relaxing with a movie. The screen is comfortable for extended viewing sessions and versatile enough for creative tasks such as drawing or video editing. Storage and battery performance are equally impressive. With 256 gigabytes of internal memory plus TF card expansion support, the G6 Plus can handle a hefty media library, school documents, apps, and more. Paired with an 8,000 mAh battery, the tablet promises all-day performance, critical for students on the go, families during road trips, or creators grinding through long editing sessions without frequent recharges. Design-wise, the G6 Plus follows DOOGEE's Carry Lighter, Go Anywhere ethos. It's slim, durable, and lightweight, built to withstand the wear and tear of everyday life. This makes it particularly family-friendly, as it can endure the occasional drop without issue. Whether used by children, teens, or adults, the build feels reliable and travel-ready. Connectivity is another strong point. The tablet supports dual SIM 4G, ensuring stable internet access even when Wi-Fi isn't available. This is crucial for students attending online classes from remote areas or professionals who need to stay connected during commutes or fieldwork. The LTE coverage delivers decent speed and reliability, even in congested network conditions. For those wanting to go beyond casual tablet use, the G6 Plus also comes in a VIP edition that transforms it into a near-complete mobile workstation. The bundle includes a Bluetooth keyboard with a trackpad, a stylus, a Bluetooth mouse, a leather case, and a tempered glass screen protector. The DOOGEE G6 Plus ultimately proves to be an all-in-one device for various user needs. Students will appreciate its big screen, long battery, and smart tools for e-learning. Creators can use the stylus and AI features to draft, sketch, and edit. Families get a tough, kid-friendly device with parental controls. By blending durability, intelligence, and efficiency, DOOGEE has crafted a tablet that punches well above its weight. The G6 Plus isn't just about specs, it's about accessibility, creativity, and staying productive wherever life takes you. With competitive launch pricing and thoughtful design, it makes a compelling case in today's crowded tablet market. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this video? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.